expected to change the world. The COVID-19 epidemic served as a wake-up call for many businesses while proving to be an opportunity for creativity, collaboration, and sustainability as the fourth industrial revolution unfolds. According to a recent McKinsey & Company analysis, the COVID-19 pandemic drove organizations over the technological tipping point, irreversibly changing business. Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we will discuss those 8 technologies expected to emerge in the coming future and the effect they will have on our world. Stick till the end, you never know which idea attracts you, and you might end up in that business line. So, without any further ado, let's get started. 1. Highest rated autonomous vehicle. Getting around in vehicles is crucial to our everyday lives. This is set to change dramatically in the not-too-distant future, thanks to the advent of cutting-edge, self-driving technologies powered by artificial intelligence. Many automakers have already integrated autoparks and a few self-driving features in their top-tier models. Still, the future of self-driving cars will be very exciting, as you can expect your Uber to come and pick you up without a driver. Yes, that's the future, not just a pipe dream. 2. Quantum computers. With the beginning of microprocessors, the processing power of computers has increased dramatically, and now you can find computers in virtually any electronic device, including your phone, smartwatch, and car. Future computing will include quantum computers, and when that happens, I don't think there will be any problems we can't solve with them. Everything will change from deep space exploration to better health solutions for chronic diseases, and it will be great. 3. Biometrics. Biometrics is a system that may identify people based on their unique characteristics, such as their faces, voice, or fingerprints. While many individuals already use one or more of these on their computers and mobile devices, the widespread adoption of this technology could render passwords obsolete. Most people have weak passwords, reuse the same password across all their accounts, and never change their passwords, making it easy for hackers to gain access to all of their personal and professional information with only one successful attack. However careful you are with your passwords, you might need help using the system. As a result, biometrics provides much required protection for private information. When numerous markers are used in conjunction, they become exponentially more difficult to crack using raw computational power than a password. 4. Necrorobotics. Sometimes new future technology can bring incredible advancement with the potential to change the future, while also being extremely frightening. There is one way to define the concept of necrobiotic, which, as the name implies, entails transforming dead objects into robots. While this seems like a terrible horror film scenario, it is a technology being researched at Rice University. A team of researchers transformed a dead spider into a robot-like gripper capable of picking up other objects. They take a spider and inject it with air to accomplish this. Spiders employ hydraulics to drive their form of blood, hemolymph, into their limbs, causing them to stretch. This notion is still in its early phases, but it could pave the way for a future in which deceased animals are used to further research. It all feels very Einsteinian. 5. Blockchain. It might be a surprise that Bitcoin, the much-hyped cryptocurrency, did not cut. However, the blockchain, the technology's online ledger, has surpassed the digital denomination as the rising commercial star. A blockchain, as opposed to traditional, centralized record-keeping, is decentralized. Blockchain systems are effectively censorship-proof or seizure-resistant, internet entrepreneur Elod Gil told Big Think in an interview. In other words, the government can't come and grab your asset if you live in a nation with poor governance, or it means that no third party can suddenly, inadvertently destroy your data, or you can't hack a third party to access your data. This is why blockchain has piqued the interest of enterprises that require record storage, i.e., all organizations. And the possible applications are amazing. Hospitals might use the blockchain to store and exchange health records. It might serve as the foundation for a safe online voting platform. It may monitor logistics across global supply chains. Of course, there are numerous cybersecurity applications. 6. Datification. Datification transforms everything in our lives into data-powered gadgets or software. In a nutshell, datification is the transformation of human chores and duties into data-driven technology. Data is here to stay for longer than we can recall, from our smartphones, industrial machinery, and workplace applications to AI-powered gadgets and everything else. As a result, keeping our data stored correctly, securely, and safely has become a high-demand specialty in our economy. Datification boosts the need for IT professionals, data scientists, engineers, machinists, leaders, and many other positions. Even better, anyone with a solid understanding of technology can pursue certification in data-related disciplines to find work in this field. Data positions are more about talents than degrees, and many great leaders are rising from smaller towns and developing countries such as India. You can also learn this valuable trending skill by taking a course like RPA, which will teach you how automation works in data. 7. Virtual reality and the metaverse tech. Virtual reality may have finally reached maturity, as technology related to it is being applied in new fields daily. There is currently a race among large corporations to see who can be the first to develop something that will be widely used and accepted worldwide. Remote work and Zoom meetings are already available, but virtual offices and meetings will be available soon. You can enter the board meeting wearing only your AR goggles and without leaving your house. The concept is to use mixed reality technologies to establish virtual shared workspaces for corporate teams to gather and collaborate on projects. Customers might attend concerts or try on clothes at their favorite store before placing a purchase. 8. Gene editing tech. When poor genes are found, gene editing can significantly impact an organism's or its offspring's health. These negative qualities can be altered thanks to new gene editing technology. In this way, gene editing has the potential to make significant advances in the battle against the disease in humans, animals, and crops. While gene editing technologies can create minor modifications to DNA, synthetic biology can involve long sewing strands of DNA together and putting them into an organism. As a result, the organism may change its behavior or acquire new abilities. What does this have to do with business? Synthetic biology and gene editing will fundamentally change how we manufacture items. Consider fascinating new items like cultured beef to show how disruptive these technologies could be. That is it, let's wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel. Do hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.